Okay, this is going to be putting on a lanyard kill switch, which comes like this with the pull-out part that you put your little lanyard under, and replacing it on this JS550 with the one that just start-stop. Because right now, when you fall off, it just keeps going, and it's supposed to turn and go in a circle. But if it doesn't, good luck getting your ski back, right? So let's see if I can get this. Oh, and this one's cracked, so that might be an issue. It's been zip tied on like crazy. It's so old. Do I dare unzip tie it and take it apart and have a chance at not going back together? Because then I can have it like this. So I want to put a lanyard off it, you know, like this one on this jet ski where the whole thing pulls off. But that's a good question, because this one's been zip tied. I probably should replace the whole thing. I don't know. I mean, worst case, I could just replace the whole thing, right? Should give it a shot. Okay, so loosen this up a bit. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to take the bottom bracket off. Is that even going to help me? Well, one way to find out. Okay, let's see. Make sure this is in on screen here. Okay, there's the bottom bracket. No Loctite, just washers on here. So here's the top part that I only got the front for. So let's see. Is it gonna just crumble apart? I mean, it's got a zip tie here, it's got two zip ties in the middle, and it's got a zip tie in the back, or maybe that's the same one. It's got three zip ties, little zip ties, teeny zip ties. See, the weird thing is, this new piece, there's no screws to screw in from the back. Like, it doesn't screw in that way. So it must just clamp on. So if it clamps on, that means we gotta separate this case, separate that, we gotta pull this zip tie, so I'll go grab a cutter.